Have you ever wondered what secrets the ocean depths might be hiding? Picture the vastness of our planet's oceans. They cover over 70% of the Earth's surface, yet we've only explored less than 5% of their depths. A world of undulating blues and blacks where light becomes a rare luxury and pressure can crush even the strongest of submarines. There in the abyss lie secrets waiting to be discovered. Scientists believe that there are millions of undiscovered species lurking in the ocean's depths. Creatures that are unlike anything we've ever seen, adapted to survive in an environment so hostile, it might as well be another planet. Every dive into these depths brings with it the potential for a new discovery, a new piece of the puzzle of life on Earth. One of the most enigmatic places in our oceans is the Mariana Trench. Located in the western Pacific Ocean, it's the deepest part of our world's oceans. The pressure there is 1,000 times greater than at sea level, and yet life persists. From translucent amphipods to ghostly snailfish, the trench is home to a host of unique life forms, each more incredible than the last. Exploring these depths is no easy task. The intense pressure, the frigid temperatures, and the lack of light make it a challenge for even the most advanced technology. Submersibles must be specially designed and built to withstand these conditions, and each dive is a mission fraught with danger. But the allure of the unknown, the promise of discovery, drives scientists to push the boundaries of what is possible. Our oceans, these vast unexplored frontiers, are teeming with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. They hold the secrets of our planet's past and clues to our future. And as we delve deeper into these unknown abysses, we come closer to understanding our place in the grand scheme of things. And yet, as vast and mysterious as our oceans are, they're not the only places where secrets are hidden. Imagine for a moment the vast expanse of space. What might be out there beyond what we can see or comprehend? In the grand theatre of the cosmos, there exists a tantalizing enigma that has puzzled scientists for decades. It's called dark matter, an invisible substance believed to comprise about 85% of the matter in the universe. Yes, the vast majority of the universe is made up of something we can't even see or touch. The existence of dark matter is inferred from its gravitational effects on visible matter, but the nature of this phantom substance remains elusive. And then there's the question of extraterrestrial life. Are we alone in the universe? Or are there others out there, possibly gazing at the same stars we do? The possibility of other life forms existing in the cosmos is not just a figment of science fiction. It's a topic of serious scientific inquiry. NASA's missions like the Mars rover and the Voyager probes continue to search for signs of life beyond our planet. The universe, as far as we understand it, is unending. But here's a twist. The concept of an infinite universe is not universally accepted. Some scientists, including the late Stephen Hawking, have proposed theories suggesting a finite universe. The debate on the shape and size of the universe is far from over, adding another layer to the enigma that is space. Space exploration has come a long way since the first human-made object was launched into space over 7 decades ago. Yet with every answer we find, a new question emerges. Every discovery we make seems to reveal more about how much we do not know rather than what we do. Space, with its infinite mysteries, proves that we have much to learn. Yet there are enigmas closer to home that remain unsolved. So, as we gaze up at the night sky, let's remember that we are all part of this grand cosmic puzzle, endlessly seeking to understand our place within it. What if the most complex mystery of all is located within our own heads? The enigma we're about to explore is not in the deepest ocean trench, nor the farthest galactic corner. It's right here, within us. The human brain, a 3-pound organ, is the most complicated object in the universe as far as we know. Imagine a bustling city with a population greater than the entire world, all within the confines of your skull. This city, your brain, is home to roughly 100 billion neurons, each communicating with thousands of others. It's like an intricate web of connections, more complex than any social network. Now, let's delve into one of the brain's most fascinating aspects: memory. Scientists have long pondered over how much information the brain can store. The estimates are mind-boggling. Some suggest that the brain's storage capacity is equivalent to about 1 petabyte, or 1 million gigabytes. That's roughly equal to the entire internet's content. But memory isn't just about storage. It's also about retrieval. The brain's ability to pull up a specific memory from years ago in an instant is nothing short of miraculous. It's like having a super-efficient search engine built into your head. Another enigma within our minds is consciousness. It's the state of being aware, of experiencing thoughts and emotions, and yet it's something science still struggles to define. Neuroscientists and philosophers alike grapple with understanding this phenomenon. Some theories suggest consciousness is a byproduct of complex computations among brain networks, while others propose it's a fundamental aspect of the universe, like space and time. And yet, despite all our advancements, the brain remains largely uncharted territory. It's like a dark forest where we've only just begun to tread. Each discovery leads to new questions. Each answer unravels another layer of mystery. The mysteries of our minds continue to baffle us. However, there are phenomena in our world that are just as puzzling. The journey into the unknown continues, and who knows what amazing mysteries we'll uncover next. Have you ever heard of raining fish or the sailing stones of Death Valley? Welcome to a world where nature defies logic and leaves even the sharpest minds scratching their heads in wonder. Let's embark on a journey through some of the most perplexing natural phenomena that our planet has to offer. First on our list is the bizarre event of raining animals, most commonly fish and frogs. This peculiar phenomenon has been reported in many parts of the world, from Honduras to India. It happens when whirlwinds or waterspouts pass over bodies of water, lifting lightweight creatures into the sky only to release them over land when the wind dies down. Or at least that's one theory. Yet the exact mechanics remain a mystery. Next, let's traverse to the eerie landscape of Death Valley, home to the baffling sailing stones. These rocks, some weighing up to 700 pounds, move across the desert floor, leaving long trails behind them, but no one has ever seen them move. Scientists propose that a rare combination of rain and wind might cause these stones to sail, but the phenomenon is far from being fully understood. Now, imagine a lake that turns animals into stone. That's exactly what happens at Lake Natron in Tanzania. The lake's high alkalinity and temperatures can calcify any animal that comes into contact with it. While this might sound like a plot from a science fiction novel, it is very much a reality. And how about the morning glory clouds of Australia? These rare, spectacular formations are so unique that they only occur in a few places worldwide. These tubular clouds can stretch for hundreds of kilometers, creating a breathtaking sight. Yet the conditions that lead to their formation still elude meteorologists. These phenomena, like many others in our world, remain unexplained. But it's not just our world that's full of mysteries. Why are we here? What is the purpose of life? These are age-old questions that continue to puzzle us. We dwell in a universe of staggering complexity, filled with galaxies, stars and planets. Yet amid this vast expanse of cosmic phenomena, we find ourselves contemplating the nature of our existence. We're like pieces in a grand jigsaw puzzle, searching for where we fit in this grand tapestry of existence. Philosophers have grappled with these questions for millennia. From the ancient Greeks, who sought to understand the world through reason and observation, to modern thinkers who ponder on the implications of quantum mechanics and artificial intelligence. Each era of human history has brought forth new perspectives on the puzzle of existence. Take the philosophical theory of existentialism, for instance. Existentialists argue that life has no inherent meaning, that we're born into a chaotic universe devoid of purpose. It's a stark perspective, but not without its silver lining. For if life has no predetermined meaning, then it's up to us to create our own. Then there's the concept of solipsism, a thought experiment that questions the very nature of reality. Solipsists propose that only one's own mind is sure to exist. Everything outside of it, including the physical world and other minds, could be mere illusions. It's a perplexing idea, but one that's been explored in literature, film, and even in theories about the simulation hypothesis. These theories and thought experiments don't provide concrete answers. They're not meant to. Instead, they provoke us to question, to wonder, to engage with the puzzle of existence. The quest for understanding isn't limited to philosophers. Scientists too are constantly probing the mysteries of the universe, from the smallest particles to the vast expanse of the cosmos. Their work underscores our collective endeavor to unravel the profound questions of existence. The mysteries of life, space, the ocean, the brain, and natural phenomena remind us that there's always more to learn, to discover, and to understand. The search for answers continues.